开这种老歌。Yeah, right now I'm going long. As you can see right here, I use this as an entry 9482 because of this. I think that price will make the low. So I use the first presenter target, which is this rectangle, which is this paragraph. That's the first presenter paragraph. And then my second entry was used with this paragraph. That one is actually a bigger recap. We do see a signature of strength into it, so that all this is going very beautiful. And right now we have the Fed president, the Fed chairman talking. That's exactly why I did not use live fund. But if you ask me, did I feel like I missed out? Nah, never. Not anymore, I guess. Yep, right now I'm trading off my phone, and you can see this is a demo account, okay? Because during the Fed chairman speaks, that is when we don't want to really touch it, okay? So the first take profit will be here. Let's just make it a low hanging fruit objective. Yeah, let's just put it there. I'm not gonna show you guys the whole thing, you just see how it goes. So right now order flow is still bullish. $9.50 macro, that is my entry. Also going to the $9.50 macro. I want to see expansion towards the upside right now. Yes, just looking at that further right now, trying to see that whole price and go towards our first partial. So right now price is probably just meandering around. Both of my entry is low risk entry, so not in a rush to move my stop loss. And you can see right here we have a balanced price range. So this balanced price range right here, you want to see prices smoke it, okay? So first trade to pay the trader, always take at low hanging fruit objective. So I'm going to take at the 3-minute balanced price range. Yep. It's pretty simple for price to retrace back here, but that's not what I want to see. But right now at where price is, had this been a live trade, positions all will be, most of the positions will be taken off. Like first entry right here, I would have taken most of it already. I would have taken it already. I would have taken it at this volume imbalance, so that would be 90 points. Beautiful, easy, 90 points. Yep. And we are very close to our take profit. Vivian 不要忘记 US moving very nicely, so we're gonna expect expansion on the NQ2. Dollar is not falling through, and nevertheless that's fine. Right now, like I said, the first one, this is this position, it has been back already. There we go, nice 90 points right there. Just look at what ES is doing. So the first position done. So that's what we do here. We just back our first position. Right now we just milk the last one, see whether it goes to our terminus. And there we go, first position TP. Let's reach the 950 macro. Very beautiful trade. Yeah, just want to remind you that all this is all demo practiced, because like I said, it's Fed chairman right now is Walsh. He's speaking, so my market can pretty much goes both ways. That's why very cautious, very cautious, and not using live fund. You ask me whether I can get another trade like that, no problem. It's not a big problem. Very nice outline from this first resistance target gap, entry at 942, and then added this one 950. This is a really A plus setup because we we have price open in a discount premium range, okay, right here. Here, so bye to 9:30 opening, so you can see we are close to, you see. So this is trading with the opening range gap, looking at the 3-minute immediate rebalance. Do we get the immediate rebalance, or do we leave a fair value gap? is this. Right now we want to see it just expand higher. Okay, so if running what price did is price reach the upper quadrant of the first period gap. Yeah, so we're just gonna have to chill and milk it. And this is how I would trade if I'm trading a $500 account, risking 2% for this trade. All entries will take a low release entry to this trade is simply beautiful. Okay, I don't like there is the fair value gap being filled fully. Okay, so right now, see the time is 10:20. Price is just meandering around the upper quadrant of the open range gap. So I'm just gonna do what I would do at this point. Just looking at the higher time frame, I like that it's using this as an inversion fair value gap, so I still believe that it can go higher. We have 10 more minutes to the 10:30, where generally it does marks the low of the morning session when we are bullish. So right now, just look at price. What do I think? Okay. Definitely, if this was a live trade, would have just backed my profits already. But right now I feel like price might want to retrace back to the discount week since we still have time. So what I'll do right now is just chill. So it's a zero sum up game, but I like that price just trade back to that 5-minute inversion fair value gap. And it's just meandering around volume balance, so I want to see a swing low leave here. Nice reaction of the upper quadrant, so chart. I want to see this XSN support like what we see right now. I'm just looking at the pre-market. Yeah, I'm managing this whole practice trade from my phone, not my computer, but it's fine. So you know, just not to be perfect, let's just look for the 90 level. That's one big level. Okay, then okay, nice. Yes, looking kind of strong. Dollar, I want to see price use this CV to trade lower, and in dollar I want to in Nasdaq I want to see it use the lower quadrant to trade to at least the midpoint. That's still the ultimate draw, the terminus if you will, but just not seeing any power yet. We got 6 minutes to the 10:30, and we have a SMT right here where it has made a higher high and Nasdaq just meandering around. So at this point, price can pretty much go both ways. And right here, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to do something that I would do if this is a live trade. So since we have the non-symmetry of the pre-market, I'm just going to give it a little bit more time. Which means dollar is doing that. I don't like that anymore, so we're just going to close, and that's it. Okay, crazy, but that is that. Pretty crazy.